Give me a hug. So proud of you. So proud of you. It was an emotional moment. शाबाश. और कितना आपने ट्रेल ब्लेजर आप बनी है इन योर ओन सेंस के लोगों के लिए, जो यंग वुमेन पुलिस ऑफिसर्स जो हैं उनके लिए कितना आपने अच्छा शाइनिंग एग्जांपल बना दिया. So we are all very proud of you.
Basically, madam, जो extra वाला incident था, it was a drop which we are doing a lot for women, for the vulnerable community, especially the transgenders, along with the minorities, even animals. So basically, I don't know whether you've heard it or not, but we have established police animal rescue centers in Lahore as well as Rawalpindi alongside Gujranwala. So they've got their own helplines, we've got our own ambulances, doctors are available, or vets are available 24/7 over there. So